Why don't you come and check out a cutaway, because this is what I love to talk about, are different things inside compressors. As you can see here, this is a cutaway, and you can get a good opportunity to see what an oil pump looks like. What happens with this, as that crankshaft is spinning, it is taking oil up, and that oil is getting put into the crankshaft, into this little spot right here, and as that comes into here, it goes through the crankshaft and lubricates all the pistons, all the bearings. It's so important. And if you look on this side over here, you're going to see that they have an oil pressure differential switch, which is going to make sure that oil is getting to the pump. Really important to understand. The last thing that you really want to understand is, how do I check net oil pressure? Well, there is a access fitting right here. You take this access fitting pressure and you compare it to your suction pressure, and that will give you your net oil pressure. This is why I love looking at cutaways, because it gives you a great idea on how parts inside the compressors work. I'd love to hear your questions or comments. My name is Trevor Matthews. Let's get a conversation going.